Hello, everybody. Hope you're feeling fine. Okay, so in today's tutorial, we will be learning this t-shirt pattern. Now, to fold this, you want to make sure that now I have my front and back pattern folded as shown. Then you want to make sure that the part you are folding for your circumferences is the stretchy part, the most stretchy part. See, this is not as stretchy as this. This part is the one you are going to place on fold. Now here I have my front and back pattern folded here, and to fold yours you are going to do your bust divided by 4 plus nothing. Okay, now from your shoulder you are going to take the length you want, and I'll mark my chest line. The chest line I'm working with is 10 inches because it's a plus size measurement. Then from there we are going to just go over to the shoulder. The shoulder I have here is shoulder 16 divided by 2. I have 8 inches. Then the neck width is 3 inches. The neck depth for the back is 1 inch. The neck depth for the front 3 inches. Go ahead to connect the points, and then we are almost through with this pattern. So mark your shoulder slope of 1 inch, connect that to the neck line as shown. Then we have a shoulder 8 inches after division, and then I'm going to just place that also on that chest line just to have a straight line to that part. And then whatever I have here, I will divide into 2, come in by half an inch as shown. Then I'm just going to use that half an inch to shape the armhole like so. And then we have the front armhole and the back armhole. Now on this chest line I will just impute my measurement, bust 46 divided by 4, and then I'm just going to start cutting. You have to cut the back pattern first, remove it, and then you cut the front pattern. Please watch what I'm doing, guys. To all my beginners in the house, you all can now make a t-shirt. Trust me, guys, you can make a t-shirt for resale after watching this. For the sleeve, do your armhole divided by 2 plus nothing. Then the length I'm working with here is length 10 inches. So from there I took my cap's height of 4 inches. Now from this point, draw a slant line as shown. Then take the center mark of whatever you have here, that means divide whatever you have here by 2, and then divide whatever you have from this point to that point also by 2. Go up by half an inch, and then after the center mark, divide whatever you have here by 2 also, and then go down by half an inch again. Now I'm just going to connect my markings to give me an inverted S. Now I went ahead to divide my sleeve width by 2. Alright, this point on your arm, divide it into 2, place whatever you get there, connect these points together, and then after connecting, just go ahead to cut it as shown. Right side facing, put the fabric together and stitch at the shoulder. Now pick the sleeve, fold the hem and stitch it down. So I decided to place 2 rows of stitches on mine, just so it has a professional look. Now, as per say, your girl wants to lamb. Okay, so I'm just going to stitch this down as shown. See the 2 line is giving professionalism. Hey baby girl. Now then, after stitching that, I'm just going to put my notch on my shoulder like so, and then I'm going to stitch that down. I'll do the same on the second side of the sleeve. And now the next thing you're just going to do is to stitch the side from that part down. And then after that, we are just going to stitch the hem like we did on our sleeve. All right. Okay guys, here is what the down part is looking like. So you're going to measure the neck round. For me, I have 21 inches, so I'm going to take away 5 inches from my 21 inches and I'm left with 16 inches. So I'm going to place 16 inches on fold. That means you have 8 inches as shown, plus half an inch to stitch that neckband. Alright. The width of this is 2 inches. Mark that and connect the point together to have a straight line. Please remember to put the stretchy part on fold. Please do not forget that. Now, when you fold this, you have 1 inch, and then close this up by the half inch you added before. This is it after joining. Fold again to have that 1 inch. Then we go over to the neck line of our t-shirt to fix this. You're going to turn this to the wrong side. Make sure that this joint part on the band is fixed around this, either the left shoulder or the right shoulder, like this. Now, as you join this, you are going to make sure you stretch the neckband to fit the neckline perfectly. I use my manual sewing machine for this sometimes, but then today I have power supply. Hey, so I've been using this all along. So as you stitch, you are going to stretch the neckband to fit the neckline perfectly, as I said earlier. Just give this a good press and your t-shirt is ready. But me, I will be doing too much. I'll be adding a DTF borderless printing to mine as shown. This is just the process of adding it. I do not have power supply right now. I'm using my stove iron. Okay. Yeah, so this is what you're going to do. Okay. And here is my beautiful client. Give it up for CEO Dazzle's Closet. So she's on Instagram. She sells affordable and assorted perfumes. For our Instagram handle, check my description box. Thank you.